It's August 19, and today in Philippine history, the U.S. Congress passed the Jones Law in 1916. Also called the Philippine Autonomy Law, this law served as the Philippine Constitution until 1937, when the Tidings-McDuffie Act created the Commonwealth of the Philippines. The law was authored by William Atkinson Jones. Jones was a member of the U.S. Congress, and he served as the chair of the House Committee on Insular Affairs, which had jurisdiction over the Philippines and Puerto Rico. Sidebar, Puerto Rico remains to be a U.S. territory. Jones died in 1918, only 2 years after the law was passed, and the people of the Philippines erected a monument atop his grave in Virginia in appreciation for his support of our independence. The Jones Bridge, which connects Binondo and Ermita in Manila, was named after him. Jones, a municipality in Isabela, was also named in his honor. O, diba?
Meow meow.